in a restaurant. Conversation 1. Waiter. May I take your order? Customer. Yes, I'd like a hamburger and a large portion of fresh fry, please. Waiter. All right. And would you like salad? Customer. Yes, I'll have a mixed green salad. Waiter. Okay. What kind of dressing would you like? We have binary, Italian, and French. Customer. Italian, please. Waiter. Would you like anything to drink? Customer. Yes, I like a large soda, please. Conversation 2. Waiter. May I tell you order? Customer. Yes, I like a chicken fried and salad, please. Waiter. All right. And would you like anything to drink? Customer. Yes, I like a glass of water. Waiter. Would you like anything more? Customer. Yes. Would you bring me the water in this moment, please? Waiter. Of course. Excuse me. Customer. Thank you. I'm so thirsty.